And here we are at day 2. I got the green fit on for today. And yeah, yesterday was fun. After the end of the vlog, after eating and skating, I decided to go practice basketball and go for a walk with my mom. And yeah, it was fun. And as for what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do something similar. Practice basketball. Gonna skate some more. And yeah, just gotta wait and see. It's a nice day outside. It's warm, slightly windy. Under this tree right now. I also got the chance to say happy birthday to one of my friends, so I'm grateful for that. And as for what I'm about to do out here, I'm gonna go on a walk to eat. After that, walk some more to practice some basketball at a court. And yeah, walk some more and see what happens. About to eat. Got fresh water.
Uno del dinero bueno, pues tienen que ponerse pilas los empleados, que no estén solo pelando o ocupando lugar.
Large fries.
Solo viendo, solo de adorno.
Chicken nuggets. First time having meat in almost a week.
Está solo para comer, me va a servir para cocinar nada, ni con calceta.
First bite.
No ayudan ni tantito. Esto es solo como para ir adentro, o en el baje, en el carro, en estar en un solo puesto.
Nice.
En un solo puesto, nada
So,
de
yeah. And since I have my basketball on me, I'm gonna do a dribbling session. So here goes. About to do some toast to branch, so here's that. Just got back from the eating spot to get some water back here. Ow. A little more time to relax, and then the run. Here it goes. Ahorita no. I had to stop because somewhere just after I just started breathing heavily after finishing that first lap. Either way, that was a good run, because I don't run it often. I'm doing it weekly because weekdays I got my bodyweight training, calisthenics training. So I should start going on runs at least 5 minutes a day, and then when I actually start doing it not as frequently, then it would be better caught up with. Or I should just keep doing that, where I should run at least a little bit each day. So this was a good run. I'd say try again for another run, or keep walking, or just chill. So yeah, I'm about to leave this parking lot, and I'm gonna go for a walk with my mom later. So until then, well, the walk's on well so far. Huh? No? And I'm glad that a friend of my mom was able to lend us some choco bananas, which are frozen bananas covered in chocolate, like a chocolate covered ice cream. Like, I'll have a picture of what I'm talking about too. Yeah, she was nice enough to lend us 3 of those. My mom had 1, I had 2. Yeah, my mom paid her. Yeah. If anything comes up, I'll let y'all know. I've come up to a creek, a small little creek, on a bridge.
Quizás no han utilizado nada de agua en aquellas casas, que de ahí viene por ahí aquella pilecita, pero hoy no hay nada. Hoy está seco esto, mira la humedad, cómo seca el agua aquí.
We've used a good chunk of time walking so far, and we're still gonna keep going. Now we're on the move. Alright, so we're in this wooded area. We've got this. We have the stream. So I just practiced some basketball at the basketball court here. I'm on a swing set. Yeah. It's honestly a nice day. And that's it. It's literally a wrap. It's gonna be the end of today's vlog, and well, until the next one.